Hey everyone, it's been a while since I did a video on the channel about the Audi and the leak that I had, but this is a shout out to SVT services in the United Kingdom. So I'm in Australia and I was looking at options to get my amp fixed because I got the water damage, and I was looking at, going through Audi was going to cost a few $1,000s. Going to a company in Australia was going to cost me $1,200, I think, $50 or $1,300 to send to them as well. They weren't even local to me. And I stumbled across SVT services, and he was able to get it all done for me, sent to the UK and back by UPS. He was able to get it done for me for about $600. Australian dollars, about 300 pounds, and that included delivery back to me as well. So I paid out about $80 to deliver it to him. So all up $700. I got the amp back, and I'm going to fit it to the car and see if it's working. But he's said that everything was working on his bench tests and everything like that. So I'm excited to get it back in the car. Excited to get audio again after a long time without having audio in the car. But I just wanted to shout out SVT services. SVT services. I'll leave the links below in the description for you to check it out. But let's get this installed in the car and see if it's going to work. So there it is. That's the actual unit, and it has this nice piece of PVC on top. It's just glued in. Stop any leaks getting into the amp ever again. And yeah, it's ready to install back in the car. And it has this little sticker on it as well from bosrepairexperts.eu. So that's what it is. So just installing amp back in. Looks really good. Got this cover on it as well, which is nice. And hopefully when it fires up, it all works. All right, moment of truth has arrived. I'm gonna pop the key in and start her up and see what happens. Immobilize live, which is good. Normally that wouldn't stay on. Normally that would turn off. So that's a good sign. Let's look at the radio. Oh, yes. You can hear the radio. Right, let me just tune to a channel that's actually... can I tune to a channel? Let's have a look if I can tune to a channel. Mode. FM. There you go. Oh, yeah, baby.
89.9, The Light. Babies go yum yum with baby mama.
Oh, so good.
Babies go yum yum with baby mama.
If you're concerned about food allergies and your baby mum, right?
So good. We got sound back in the Audi. I cannot believe what it took sending it over to the UK. SVT services, Bose Repair UK. You've smashed it. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. And thank you to all those who have commented and watched my extensive video on fixing the water leak. That's all been fixed, obviously, before I put the amp back in. And so now I can drive without worrying about it, and with sound and with my phone working, everything working. Maybe next I'll do an Apple CarPlay install, but that's for another video. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.